Hi everyone. I wanted to walk you through briefly on just some of the tools within Screencastify that might help you use it a little bit better. And I'm keeping the presentation that I have open in so it's not going full screen so that you can continue to see the tools as I use them. So as we get started, I wanted to just give you a quick refresher about what some of the tools are and how to start Screencastify. So you should have Screencastify already installed. If you don't, I'll put the link to this to the video to install it and use it in the email also. But when you open up Screencastify, there you can record your browser, a desktop, which is another application outside of your browser, or just your web camera. When you're doing your browser tab, you can embed the web camera so it shows the video of you in the bottom corner, or it allows you actually to choose the corner where it shows it. And it also allows you to have the audio from that browser tab. If you're doing the desktop, you can also embed the web camera in one of the corners, or you can choose to just have the screen recording of you from your web camera. Once you start Screencastify and it starts recording, you should have a tool menu down here at the bottom that shows up. Now, typically you will set these items for the ones that you want to use before the recording starts. So what I like to do is I'll start the recording and it'll start to give me a countdown, and I'll pause the recording right away, then get the items that I want and to use in setup beforehand, go ahead and start the recording, and then go full screen on my presentation. But I wanted to walk you through what some of these are really quickly. And so right now you can see I'm using the focus. If you click on the mouse pointer, I'm using this left one right here called Focus Mouse, which you can see it highlights an area wherever my mouse is hovering, so I can go in and share people. It gives them an idea of where exactly, it's easier for them to follow the cursor. The other option is to highlight clicks. So if I do that, you can see when I click, it pulls up a red circle, and I can do that to go up to a tools menu or something like that to show them. And it's just another way for people to see, to give them instant feedback as to where the cursor is. The last option for hiding your is to hide your cursor. So if I do this, and you can see it disappears almost immediately after I've stopped moving it. And it just allows you to kind of unclutter your screen a little bit. The other two options that I wanted to talk to you about were the pen and eraser tools. So these options right here allows you to annotate on the screen. When I click on the pen tool, I can choose the color that I want to use. So let's say if I want to use green, and let's say if I'm going into present right now, let me put it back on the pointer real quick, or actually, you know what, I'm going to keep it how it is. And then I can draw on here if I want to. If I'm doing a math one, I can talk about, oh, this is 1/4, something like that. I can circle things as I'm talking about them. Just know that it's, using the trackpad can be a little bit difficult to draw with this when you're using it. And then I can go through and I can change the color in the middle of it. Let's say if I want to highlight something in orange, I can do that. I can also then go through and erase certain portions. And when I go to the eraser, it's only going to erase what I choose it to, or excuse me, it's only going to erase the annotations that I make. So if you've got a document, it's obviously not going to, like a Google presentation, it's not going to erase the things that are behind it. It's only going to erase the things from within Screencastify that you've done that. I can choose to erase certain portions of it, or I can go back and hover over that eraser tool and click this, and it'll wipe the entire screen. Really, that's about it. It's a really quick, short video, and I just wanted to introduce you to the tools within Screencastify. And so just let me know if you have any questions about this or if you need any other help. Okay, thanks. Bye.